Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will discuss about use Wi-Fi calling for fix drops call. If your phone keeps dropping calls, if your phones keeps dropping call, due to signal issues, due to signal issues, try using Wi-Fi calling instead. Using Wi-Fi calling instead. It's a feature that allows you to make phone calls without a cellular connection, without a cellular connection when enabled Wi-Fi calling routes phone calls through the internet you don't need third-party apps to use Wi-Fi calling. To use Wi-Fi calling, connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network. Connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network and you are good to go. And you are good to go. If your carrier network supports, if your carrier network support Wi-Fi network supports Wi-Fi callings, refer to our tutorial on using Wi-Fi, to our tutorial when using Wi-Fi to make calls. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.